Welcome to Tech Leveler, I'm Lee, and in this super quick video I'm going to show you how to delete activity history in Windows 11 or 10 PC. Now the easiest way to do this is by heading into your settings, and we get there by hitting the start menu here on our taskbar and coming up to our pin section, and we should find our settings. If your settings are in the pin section here at the very top, search them here within the search box. Now, if you're on Windows 10, when you're in Settings, you want Privacy. I'm currently in Windows 11, so we'll go to Privacy and Security. Now, within Privacy, if you're in Windows 10, or Privacy and Security here in Windows 11, you'll see Activity History here. We want to select that. And you'll see here, Store my activity history on this device. If you don't want that to happen, you can tab this off and your activity history will not be saved. It is that easy, and you can actually clear what history it currently has. So that's how you do that. There is a second way of doing it, however this is a lot more technical. You want to come to the search box here and search out for Event Viewer. It's best match after typing event, so we'll select Event Viewer here at the top. And then you can come down and select Windows Logs here, and you can see all the different things that are being saved, and you can clear the logs if you want over this side. However, that is a lot more in depth. You can see there's 19,000 events in this one. So that's how to delete the active history in Windows 11 or 10 PC. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thank you for watching.